Tara na! Tara na! Sa Barangay Adlay, Carrascal, Surigao del Sur!
Ilog ng mga ulap, hinihipan ng hangin. Uni ng mga ibon, naglalakbay sa himpapawid. Kay sarap mabuhay sa ilalim ng nag-iisang mundong makulay. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw.
This monument is one of the landmarks of Barangay Adlay. Visitors come here and stop to take pictures and start exploring the community.
Kalikasan at kultura.
Nature is one of Adlay's greatest gifts. We encourage everyone to help protect our environments by keeping river clean and respecting our surroundings.
Ay, 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 ay. Pagsuwang sa Adlay nagsidlak. Mga kasing-kasing na bulawan o nagapadadyon sa Adlayano. Subang Festival. Sana magbibo kita. Mapasalamaton, magmadasigon. Mga Adlayano.
One of our proudest celebrations is the Subang Festival, where our community comes together through colorful performances, music, and cultural activities. If you are in Barangay Adlay, you should respect the community. Show your trash properly. This is done in short minutes.
A responsible tourist doesn't just visit. They help preserve the beauty and culture of every destination.
Magbibo kita. Mapasalamaton, magmadasigon. Mga Adlayanon.
We Adlayanons are hospitable. But first, we must respect our tradition, our culture,
And our community.
because to respect is to honor where we came from.